everybody, and this is a surprise today. We are going to be finishing up some fireworks. Sorry, we started a few before you guys got it, but look what I'm wearing. Okay, Grandma, light the first one, or whatever number it is. Wrong fountain. I wanted you to light a MIDI one. We're gonna bring up their suspense.
Get back.
Okay, you want to record me now? It's still recording. Just keep it tilted onto the fireworks. Okay, I'm sorry if the footage is a little bad. She might not know what to do. Her hands might be shaky. We don't know. Which one shall I light? Keep going. Oh yeah, this is our backyard, by the way. Oh, that's a butt angle. I'm moving over here.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Back up.
Get back. Over here.
I'm back over here. I'm trying to get a better shot. Ooh, that's pretty. Come on, keep going. That wasn't good. Ooh. Good gosh, that's so much smoke. Real quick, burn myself. Ow. That hurt.
Okay.
Yeah, get a different angle.